NRB is a 49-year-old company, and it is the first company to manufacture needle roller bearing in India. And today, over 90% of the vehicle on Indian roads run on NRB bearing. And our vision is to make our presence across the world by the year 2020. Now, coming with our problem resolution presentation, our project title is to eliminate needle missing bearing and establish mistake proofing in its functional test. We call it single piece flow robust 2A line. Our team, I am S.A. Khan. Three of us are present today, Mr. Ravi Shankar, Mr. Kumar. This was the complaint we received, one roller missing from the bearing. And see the picture, defective sample picture below, between the two yellow arrows, needle missing. This is our existing process flow. Station 1 is the bearing assembly. Station 2 to 5 are the functional testing. We identified three problem areas. The first one was the bearing assembly, where the misfitting of needle rollers was occurring. Second is the station 4, where there was no POCA for needle missing bearing. And then the batch production. You see the number of bins for collecting input and output. And we also revisited the design. This was our PPM value from January to July. The average is 352. Our analysis zeroed on needle flow mechanism as the cause of the defect. And the root cause was the needle guide design itself was such that the misorientation of the needles was not prevented. See the cages coming from the left, needle from the top, getting inserted, bearing assembled, and moving to the functional testing. But once the needle misorientation occurs, there are every chance that the very next bearing may remain partially unfilled, hence a case of needle missing bearing. In bearing assembly, needles reaches to the bearing in a needle guide. It has a rectangular cavity which doesn't prevent the needle to change its axis. Hence a vertical needle, the right picture. In a plain sight, it looks very simple. Needle moving along its axis, dropping laterally. But if you see the dynamics of the needle movement, the moment half its length crosses the plane, then it has a natural tendency to tilt due to law of gravity, and hence the needle becomes vertical. We took various trials with altering the needle guide design modification. One of it is like this. It can be imagined as a two half cylinders face to face but staggered, which gives a zigzag motion. You can see the magnified geometry on the right. The successive needles, if we join the axis of these needles, they are not collinear. So hence a needle has to twist somewhere like this to become vertical in this. So we completely arrested the needle becoming vertical. But we could not go ahead with this from the productivity point of view. But after 800 numbers, we found that the edges were getting damaged. So we thought of, if we make the needle roll along its axis, then its axis will always remain parallel to the ground. So we designed an S-shaped guide where the needle flow is very smooth and needle rolls along its axis. So it will always remain horizontal to the axis will remain horizontal to the ground. So we completely eliminated the needle missing